Welcome to the Technology Integrations Puzzle Reveal Grab and Go. So you're on the website and you want to pull one of these puzzles so that you can personalize it and use it within less than 5 minutes. First thing you're going to do is select one of the 6 images, and I have selected the astronaut, and when I click that, it's going to bring me to a screen that's going to force me to make my own copy within my Google Drive. Once you get to this, you will have the screen that shows what the students will see, and you'll notice that here to personalize, you'll just rename the worksheet. Just click in this cell, rename it to whatever you want to call it, insert your instructions for what you want the students to do, and your learning target goes here. In each of these cells, you will just type in the question, and you want to keep the questions simple yet um, on topic, and your questions should have the students to answer in less than 3 words. Keep in mind that whatever you put in as the answer, the student must type it exactly the same. So now you've got your questions inserted into these boxes. We're going to go down to the bottom and select Sheet 2. And this is where you will enter your answers. So scroll on over and you'll see a column. It's column Q, and you'll see answer 1 through answer 9. So in these boxes, you will actually type in the answer that you are going to accept for question 1, answer 2 for question 2. So once you get those 9 answers inserted, go back to sheet 1 and we want to test. So question 1, I have got the answer as answer 1. When the student answers it correctly, the box changes to green and a puzzle piece is revealed. If the student answers it incorrectly, the box is changed to red and no new puzzle piece is revealed. Once you have everything set up the way that you want it, remove the answers where you were testing it, come back to sheet 2, and we're going to protect this because we're actually going to give the students this. So we do not want them to see the answers. I'm going to select the whole sheet, click that box, and I'm going to fill the whole thing in black. I'm going to take column L, I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to hide that column. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to come here to data, protect the sheet, and I'm going to set the permission, and the only person that's going to be able to edit this is only you, and click done. Then that way, if the student does come here, oh, and the last thing, after you've done that, you're going to right click on sheet 2 and say hide the sheet. So if you do have a tech savvy student that realizes that there's a hidden sheet, then when they get to that hidden sheet, they can't see the answers and they can't click on anything and change it because you have protected the ranges. Now you have everything set up and you're ready to insert this into your Google Classroom. You want to check the share permission, change the share permission to CMCSS, edit, done. And now when you go into your Google Classroom, you can just come here and insert this as an assignment and make sure that each student gets their own copy. When the student is finished, it will upload into Google Classroom. And then when you grade, you're just going to be looking for all of the um, students' puzzles to look exactly like this. And so if you have a full puzzle, then you know they've got it 100%. If you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out to your technology integration coach.